Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 KAWASAKI Z900RS 50th anniversary. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 KAWASAKI Z900RS 50th anniversary with 11,690 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with frame sliders, swing arm spools, a rear fender eliminator kit, and bar end mirrors. Powered by a 948cc 4-cylinder engine, the Z900RS puts 111 horsepower and 72 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Z900 has a 170 to 200-mile range. It has a 32.3-inch seat height and a 476-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Z900RS will need passenger footrests and passenger handholds. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that this bike has mismatched tires. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.